Hello, long option and swing trading strategy daily chart analysis. We are going to analyze three stocks from our watch list, and the first one is APH. Today is September 4th, 2025, and we are going to do the chart analysis after the market closed yesterday, the 3rd of September. So APH so yesterday the price went up, therefore there is nothing we are going to do to it at the moment. ATO, and the reason why we do the analysis is to see if we have not purchased a stock yet, to see if it's well positioned for us to purchase it. So ATA, the price went down yesterday as well. That's why the price at the end of the day is highlighted red. But again, compared to where we want to buy it at the valley, the price is higher up, is at the peak. The next one is AZO. So AZO, the price is higher up as well. We can continue and work on a few more. BKNG. So BKNG, the price is higher up as well. And the purple lines are where we are thinking about buying the stocks. So the next one is BLK. And BLK, the price is higher up. The price is going down. Yesterday the price dropped, but again it's far from where we like to buy. BRO is the next one, and BRO is going down. So from the peak is going down, is working on the downside of the mountain, going down. But at this point we don't know when, if it's done going down, to start going up. If you can see, yesterday the price went up, but again by looking at the chart, it's still giving us that tendency that is going down. We have multiple lines there that we call a purple, but the bottom one is the valley. So it touched base with it here, but not ever since. So we don't know if this line is going to be where it's going to rest and start going up, if this line is going to be the valley. But again, it touched a few times here. So but if it tends to make a huge mountain, then this line could be the line that it might rest on and start going up. But there is still a possibility that it might go to this line, although it has not touched base with it for the past 2 years. But it can actually go 2 years, if not 3, once it leaves that line, to go back to it again. So we will keeping an eye on it to see where it's going to reach. So this long option and swing trading strategy, we trace some support lines passing by the higher lows, and we just analyze the chart on a daily basis or whenever we can to see which stock is at the valley of the mountain and is getting ready to start going up. And once it makes few higher lows, we can buy some share. And that is this strategy. And once it reach a new peak, we can see if we are willing to sell it there or continue holding on to a little bit. And those stocks are large cap stocks, therefore they do reach a new peak often. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Course of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. You just have to start small and grow your account from there. Thank you. For more of our videos related to swing trading, will you please check the links in the description. Thank you.